All right, here we are. Very cool Mercedes that we're gonna do kind of an inspection on. We're finding some rust. This is underneath this undercoating that comes from the factory. But this has got to come off to get, we've got this rust problem here and we're starting to get holes. You hear that crunching sound? So we got to get this off of here and find out what's going on back there, but there's definitely getting some holes, as you can see right there. And then you see this delamination that's happening here. Same issue. And then we have a literal tear in the sheet metal here. So these weep holes have got rust happening inside of it because it's corked up.
But just on one side though, look, this side is clean.
Same thing here. See the bubbling? And then we have some more here. So these edges are starting to get delaminated, type rusting here. Again. Underneath, it's just some weeping that's gotten accumulation of oils, etc. on here.
This is leaking, bro.
There's some clunking back here. I'm trying to figure out what that is. Just general rust, surface rust, rust on brackets, rust on the lines. These lines are getting eaten up. See these where they meet? This is getting a problem right in here, so it's starting to get eaten up inside. Definitely got rust here. This has got a coating on it, and this coating is getting rust behind it. So it's trapping the water, so this has to come off. And then we got rust up in there. Some general oil leaks, transmission leaks potentially, but when we clean it, we'll be able to see where they're coming from. Anything else up here that's...
The steering box is leaking. The steering box right here. It's leaking.
Okay, got it. Anyways, once this is all clean, we can figure out where it's leaking. Yeah. Should probably put some silicone oil on all the rubber bits and pieces under here when we're done too. For instance, these airbags. Yeah, we gotta check out some of the stuff. You can see the delaminating right here.
Yeah, right here, okay.
It's gotta come off because it's getting rusty back there.
Let's take pictures of that.
You see back up in here? Hear that sound, that crunching sound? This old rusty stuff happening right there.
Did you really show him this book?
Yeah. Radiator support. Behind the bumper. You hear that crunchy noise? That's the rust behind the paint. So we got a lot of rust coming out of here. See all that rust falling down? So we definitely got to get on top of this, because we're really starting to lose the body here. So that's generally the tour. These are the two guys going to be working on your car here. He's an Oscar. Here's a place where someone used a jack instead of using it here. And we got rust around this jack point, which we got to get figured out. And then back in here, you see this is getting delamination going on. We got our work to do here, but it's all solvable. Nothing horrific. Definitely want to get on this chrome before it dies. It's getting borderline where it's going to start losing the chrome. Thanks for watching.